In this video, you're going to see how you can clear tons of storage space effortlessly without deleting a single photo. Step 1. Go to Settings, Storage, and find Cache Data or a cleanup option. This silently eats gigabytes without you knowing. It cleared 2.5 gigabytes for me. And if yours isn't showing much right now, that just means it was already cleared recently, which is exactly what happened on mine. Step 2. Open WhatsApp. Go to Settings, Storage and Data, then Manage Storage. Every chat sorted by size. You'll find random group videos and memes eating more space than your actual photos. One group alone was sitting at 2.6 gigabytes on my phone. Delete what you don't need. Takes a moment to load, but worth it. Step 3. While you're there, turn off auto download. Completely uncheck everything. Images, videos, documents. Every group chat has been silently downloading files to your phone in the background, even ones you never once opened. Step 4. Check your downloads folder. Old PDFs, browser files, forgotten screenshots. It's a graveyard nobody looks at. Clear it out entirely. Step 5. Finally, back your photos up to Google Photos or iCloud. Then delete the local copies off your phone. They stay safe. Your phone gets lighter.